Welcome to the mathscenter.com. We are going to finish this problem that we started. This problem involves the May-June 2020 paper 6 exam question. The details are here on the board, 9709/61, or rather 6 version 1. And we've done all the parts except part E, which is what we're going to talk about now. And before I go through the question, please share as much as you can, and follow me on Facebook, give me a like, and on YouTube as well. Okay, we have I have the solutions all worked out, and they're all available on my website, right from P1, we do all pure maths questions, P1, P2, P3, and mechanics, and statistics, and further maths, and all those. I have all the work solutions on my website. They're all available for purchase and for a small subscription. Yeah. So please feel free to visit my website and check those out. Okay. Over the next few weeks, we are going to be doing some of these things. Questions that appeared recently on the exams. And then as we go along, we'll try and learn as much as we can as we approach the exams. Okay. Okay. Part E to this question, it's written here. Okay. Let me get it right. Find the probability that t lies between 8 and 12. That's the question in part E. Again, let me remind you, right? For details of the question, please look up your past paper section. You know, the Cambridge website. You'll be able to access these things. Okay, great. We asked to find the probability that t lies between 8 and 12. I just want to remind you what we did on part D. Now, before that, right, this question is quite easy to do. Even if you didn't bother about part D, all you have to do is integrate. Yeah, integrate from 8 to 12, you can get the answer. Now, I am trying to use what we have found in part D. I'm trying not to go the the traditional route. Let's see whether we can use what we worked out in part D. Okay, part D, they gave us that probability t less than 10 plus a. Again, the probability that t is less than 10 plus a, they said let it be p. And then in part D, we showed that the probability that t lies between 10 minus a and 10 plus a is, we showed this. We used the idea of symmetry and so on. Now, what I'm saying now is, instead of doing the the usual traditional method where you just go in and bang, 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 do all the integration, let's look at the question. This is 8 and this is 12, and if you use t, if you use the midpoint 10, remember? So this one here, it'll be 10 minus 2, and this will be, correct? It'll be 10 minus 2, and it'll be 10 plus 2. So which means that here my a will be just, my a is 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my answers to D and not do so much work as far as integration is concerned. Or maybe not even integration. I have to do the integration, but the plugging in part. Yeah. So remember, probability t less than 10 plus a. What is a? 2. 10 plus a will be 12. And now this is my p. Right? So probability of t less than 12 is p. So the probability of t less than 12 will be 0 to 12, correct? F of t dt. Right? Now, then we have 0 to 12. What is f of t? 3 over 4,000. And what's in brackets there? 20t minus t squared dt. Are you all in this? Not hard. Yeah, not hard. So 0 to 12. Why am I using 0 here? Well, that's because this is how the probability statement is defined. Now when I do the integration, it's better for us to be using 0, because then the numbers just cancel, right? So now I only have to worry about the integration, 3 over 4,000, okay? 0 to 12, 20t minus t squared dt, correct? Okay. my dog is here. Sorry about this. My dog is here with me in the room, so he tends to snore a bit. So please forgive him. Yeah? He's already 9 years old. He's a big Rottweiler, and he doesn't want to be alone in my other room. So I always bring him with me wherever I go. So he's here. That's why he's snoring. Yeah? And so let me go back to my maths. Yeah. So let's do that. So this is 3 over 4,000. Okay. And then I have 20t. Then I have 10t squared minus t cubed over 3. Simple integration. You can do that yourself. Yeah. Okay. I took out the 3 over 4,000. Then I have 20t. I integrate. I'll get 10t squared. T cubed over 3. Plug in the value of 12. Plug in the value of 12. And you will get, let me look at my answer. When you do that, you will get 81 over 25. Okay. I repeat. You will get 81 over 125. And what is that? That is P. What do I want? I want 2P minus 1, correct? I want the probability that T lies between 8 and 12, which will be between 10 minus A and 10 plus A. So I need 2P minus 1. I already have the value for P. So all I have to do is just take 81 over 125 minus 1. And if you use a calculator, and you will get 37 over 125. And that's your answer, okay? 37 over 125. Now, I just wanted to do it this way to show you that, hey, we don't have to do, if you had taken 8 to 12, then remember this will be 8. Then you need to plug in 8 into your calculator and so on. I didn't want to do that. My 0 is much more friendly, yeah? Okay, thank you very much for watching.